All right, so we have our first DIY here. Looks like they have some styrofoam. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a coffee cup. Oh, now this is definitely an advanced DIY project. Wow, look at the detailing on that. And it's a table. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love this idea. Very cool. And then we move into the next one. This one also looks like it might be a table. So many creative ways that you can create the tables. Now it looks like this might be like an IKEA table here, and they like stack the legs in the center versus like putting them all the way around it. I like this idea. That's pretty, wow, that's a pretty cool idea. It gives it like a totally different like look and feel and aesthetic just by moving the legs in the middle. That is a really cool concept. I like their whole space. It's so like modern and aesthetic. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, so we have some foil here. Some clay. What did they make? Is that like some type of... I don't know, I'm totally confused. Now they're just showing us like their space. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so we have another DIY here with some clay. Why do I feel like they're making an ashtray? That looks like an ashtray, right? Or is that just me? I guess like this person's DIYs are like open to interpretation. I don't know. So here we have, what are these? Cider blocks? I forgot what they call them. Is that right? I don't know. Oh, cool. This kind of has like a nice little like industrialized vibe with the shoe rack here. That is really cool. And then she also has like the tables and stuff going. That I love this. All right, so we have some type of, what is this thing? Now this for sure, I don't know what it's called. It kind of just looks like a fancy nightlight, to be honest. Like, whatever it is, it's beautiful. And it involves cardboard, which is really cool because we all have old packages somewhere in our house, and we can repurpose the cardboard and make so many different projects with them. Oh wow, this is just so pretty. And what's nice about this too is you can do any designs that you like. Like I love the florals, but you could do like hearts, you could do star. Like there's a lot of different ways you play around with the same kind of idea. And then of course it features the fairy lights. This is really cool. Okay, so we have a box here. Like another way to repurpose some old items around the house. Oh, okay, so it looks like they used some type of cement or something there and made like a planter. Oh, nice. I like the wooden legs. Alright, so we got some pool noodles. More pool noodles. Lots of pool noodles for this one. So you need about maybe 4 pool noodles for this project. And a lot of tape. And then we have some type of big rope. I think I have an idea of what she's making. Pretty sure it's some type of like ottoman that you can double as a side table. Not side table, but a coffee table. Yep, very cute. I love this idea. Very inexpensive to replicate as well. Whoa. Oh, that is gorgeous. She made that out of clay? Wow. Okay, this has got to be one of the prettiest ceiling lights I've ever seen. Very cool idea. Amazing. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.